Hello! How are you doing? So, that was funny, wasn't it? I've got to follow that. Shit. Okay, so, great to be here. Great audience. But can Arizona please turn the thermostat down? I'm a Brit, lily white. Any kind of sun that touches me, and I'm sunburnt. Sunburnt. Took some Viagra for it last night. Did nothing for the sunburn, but it kept the sheet off my fucking legs. Hey. But is it hot? I've been in the green room sweating like a pedophile outside a primary school. Really? Like a politician in a truth factory. Bloody hot. And they say, Brit, don't worry about it because it's a dry heat. Well, yeah, I guess it is, because yesterday I'm walking past one of my horses, and I seem to be a bit of a laxative around my horses, because every time I walk past, they want to turn one out. They want to have a poop. Yesterday was no exception. I'm walking past, out it comes, and you know, before it's fully out, it was dry. Before it hit the ground, it's disintegrated. Unbelievable. Hey. And I'm just back from the UK, thank God, and I happened to bump into the ex-wife. And I looked at her and I thought, God, you are fucking ugly. Oh. She had that many wrinkles. When she smiled at me, she looked like a Venetian blind. She was that ugly, King Henry VIII took one look at her, chopped his own head off. And one year we went to Spain for a holiday, and this is no word of a lie. The mosquitoes drew straws to decide who was going to have to bite her. And then another year I took her to Ireland. Anybody been to Ireland? Well, she wanted to kiss the Blarney Stone. Yeah? She insisted on it. The authorities insisted on blindfolding the stone first. That's how bloody ugly she was. Unbelievable. And then, right, she left me.
Aww.
Yeah. She left this. For another woman! Another woman! Holy shit! And you'd have thought you'd see the signs, wouldn't you? You know, I look out to the window one day, and she's outside doing squats in a carrot field with a life-size picture of Helen DeGeneres. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. And then she changed her name to Strap a Dick to Me. Still didn't get it. Didn't bloody get it. And I walked into the living room, and she was sat there, licking the cream out of a donut. And the penny dropped. Because she don't like donuts. So I knew there was something. So what did I do? I thought, stuff it. I'm going to get out of this place. And I'm going to go to America. So I did the old pin in the map. Arizona. Well, I've never heard of Arizona, but sounds like fun. I'll go there. So I arrived in Arizona, and it didn't take very long to realise that my English accent seemed to do something for the ladies. And there's some men. Anyway, but we won't go there. So, I found out when I was in a cafe in Phoenix, and I went in and my server was called Goldie, really pretty Jewish girl. And she said, what would you like, sir? I said, well, I'd like a cup of tea. I'd like a glass of water, a slice of toast, and maybe a little bit of jam for my toast. No word of a lie. Her jaw dropped. She touched herself. And she said, say it again. Ask me again. True. So I did. At my apartment. And you know, we had some of that good old-fashioned Brit comedy dog. Sexy time. Following day, she's gone to work, I've gone to work, I come home. there's a whole queue of Jewish women outside my apartment. All the way down the road, outside, loads of them. So a little bit of investigating, and I discovered it was because I'm circumcised. And apparently Jewish women will do anything for 10% off. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Brit comedy dog.
Find your entertainment and services the easy way with entertainers worldwide.